I got a new stylus. I don't use my fingers because I misspell words too easily. But the stylus has a nice little tip, and it's not one of them rubber cheapies that rips. This one is a cloth, and it works really nice. And on the other end, it's got like a pointer thingy with a flat plastic tip. This is cool. This is pretty cool. But I like this because it's got the cloth thing, and it lasts forever. And it works good, too.
So that cloth tip works good with your games, huh?
It works good with games. It works for texting, all kinds of stuff. You know, anything you want to do on your phone.
Slides real fast.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't scratch
It does.
the
It doesn't
screen.
scratch the screen. It's cloth. Just don't snag it, because if you snag it, it'll unravel. It's a woven cloth.
And show them how it comes off the pen.
These little tips are interchangeable. I'm not sure how they do come off.
Well,
Where's the...
didn't you put a new one on the other side? No?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I did.
Yeah.
This unscrews.
Yeah. You can get...
The little cloth tips. You can buy these separate, the tips for it.
Yeah. Here, show them that. So it just screws?
It just screws right in the bottom, in the other end.
Okay, so we bought a couple packs of these, so in case they do rip here.
Were these in there too?
No.
They weren't, just
bought
these.
those, yeah.
Okay. But this gave us 2 extra tips, I think, with the pen.
Show them how that goes on there.
It just screws right in. And there's a cap that you can cover whichever end you're not using.
Oh, cool.
It's got a clip for hanging on your pocket or wherever. This is called Digiroot. And the cap will cover either end. Pretty cool. I like it.
Is it heavy? Or is
No,
it light?
it's not any heavier than a pen.
How's that flat side work with the games?
Here.
Is it smooth?
Let me go back. See if it gives me the fish one. And it's just plastic. It doesn't scratch your screen. Let me see if this will give me the fish thingy, because I go back and forth with it. She's purring away. Oh, it's not giving me the fishy game. Okay. But you can, you just tap with it like you do your other end.
That little plastic tip, it never falls off or nothing like
No,
that?
it doesn't fall off.
Yeah.
It actually, it's kind of on a. It just flexes. It's like on a piece of elastic or something. It flexes.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty cool. Carrot. But yeah, it works fine. I can't put my thingies. Paintbrush. This one.
So it slides too?
It'll
Yeah.
If you're doing something that requires a drawing or something, you can just scoot it, right across your screen, and it's pretty cool.
So what else can you say about these cloth tips? You've been using them for a while.
Yeah, I've been
Right.
using. I've used a cloth tip for 2 years now. If you watch real close in some of the stores, you can get them on the end of a pen. Where they carry all the accessories for.
How's the cloth tip work on here though?
Oh, it's pretty cool. works fine. It works good.
Does it bounce or is it real
No, Well, it's soft.
soft, huh? So it's spongy.
So it's like the rubber ones. It's soft like them.
Oh, okay.
Kind of like spongy.
Okay. But it doesn't rip as easy as
It doesn't rip and tear. I mean, I got one I've used for 2 years.
Yeah.
And I love the thing.
Now that first one you used though, it got a little tear in it.
Yeah,
said?
it got a snag on it, and instead of me clipping the snag, it started unraveling, and that's
Okay.
when we ordered the replacements.
So you just threw that one out and put.
Yeah,
a
I
new one
threw
on?
that one out and put a new one on.
How'd it get a snag? Just one of them things.
Just one of them things, maybe in my pocket, and getting in and out of the vehicle or something, or
So if it gets a snag and then you get like a little thread coming off of it.
yeah, it's like any snag,
Oh, so
on material.
So then you just clip it with the scissors.
If you clip it, it's going to unravel.
Oh,
So
so what would you do to it?
just don't snag it.
Okay. So once you snag it, it's done.
Once you
huh?
snag it, it'll unravel and it's pretty well gone.
Oh, okay.
So especially if a snag breaks, then it unravels. If it's snagged, if it's just there, I mean, just like any snag on material. If it doesn't break, it won't unravel. But if it breaks, it'll just unravel like
Okay.
anything knitted.
Yeah. See, you understand that stuff. You take it for granted, but you know,
I do.
like okay. Anything else?
This one will go.
No.
No, I guess that's pretty much it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you like the Digiroot?
Oh, this thing's a 10.
Okay.
I give it 5 stars. It's really nice. I like it.
Okay. See ya.
Bye.